In types of reactions, the first reaction which we are studying here is combination reaction. So we are studying the combination reaction with the example of the combination of quicklime with water. So let's start. Here we are going to study an important combination reaction, that is the addition of quicklime with water. Here this is the chemical reaction of quicklime, that is calcium oxide plus water. When they both are combined together, means this is in the solid state and water in the liquid state. When solid particles, or you can say the blocks of calcium oxide, are dropped in water, then they react together and form calcium hydroxide, that is in the aqueous state, and a large amount of heat is also produced. You must have seen in your daily life, whenever the whitewashing of the homes are done, then outside of the, basically some fences are painted with the whitewash. So that whitewashing is done by using the slaked lime only. So slaked lime produced here in this reaction is used for whitewash to wall. Now there is an important reaction, that when you put the whitewashing, is it the final product which you get for the you can say that white color to the walls and the shining? No. The calcium hydroxide layer which we put on the fences, that react with the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere, and they combine together to form calcium carbonate, and water particles are released. So that in the vapor state. Now calcium carbonate is the final product, which is the reason of the shine of given to the wall after the whitewashing. It is a very slow process. It takes 2-3 days. When the calcium hydroxide starts reacting with carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere, and slowly the layer of calcium carbonate is formed. That is the reason that you have seen that when the whitewashing is done, after a few days only the actual shining of white color comes out. Now we will discuss some more important phenomena of combination reaction related to that. Right now just we have seen this reaction, calcium hydroxide when put in the carbon dioxide reaction by the product of calcium hydroxide of the first reaction. Now this first reaction shows one more thing, that heat is generating here. Okay, so the important observation is that in some reactions we see that after the reaction, like for here the example is quicklime and water, when they react together, the heat was evolved. The heat which is evolved, that shows the exothermic reaction. Exothermic, here it is made by two words, exo and thermic. Exo means related to exit, something which is coming out, and thermic means thermal, that is heat. So what is coming out? Heat is coming out. So exothermic reactions are those reactions in which after the reaction some heat comes out. Now such reactions which after the reaction which release the energy in the form of heat are called exothermic reactions. Here some common examples of exothermic reactions are, which we see in our daily life, like burning of fuels. Whenever any fuel is burnt, then some energy is released. Respiration process, when we inhale oxygen gas, and that oxygen get mixed with the glucose present in our body, and that produces carbon dioxide and water, and a large amount of energy is produced. That energy enables us to do our day-to-day works. And at last, decomposition of organic matter in compost, like biogas is produced by this method only. So these are some common examples of exothermic reactions. So here this reaction is interconnected with the combination reaction. So most of the time it is not like in each combination reaction exothermic reaction will take place, but generally whenever any combination reaction takes place, then the result is the heat is evolved. That is called exothermic reaction. This is an example of exothermic reaction, or you can say the combination reaction, after which the product, as a product, heat is evolved. When wood is burnt in air, it produces heat, so it is called exothermic reaction.